In this video, you'll learn how to close a specific quote in Blixo in just a few simple steps. Please note that only quotes with the following statuses can be closed: open, approved, invoiced, and expired. Let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the Quotes section. For this demonstration, I'll use a quote from the Open section as an example. Click on the quote ID of the quote you want to close. This will bring you to the Quote Details page. From the Quote Details page, click the More button and select Close Quote. A confirmation box will appear. If you want to cancel the process, simply click Cancel or close the box. To close the quote, click the OK button. Once the quote is closed, its status will change to declined. Let's check it to confirm. Success. The quote has been closed, and its status is now declined. Voila! You've successfully closed a specific quote in just a few simple steps. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.